Hey guys, happy Thursday. It is the end of our school week. Our agenda for today is you're going to complete 2 new IXL sections. They don't really have numbers. I'm calling them C2.5 because this one is located between C2 and C3, and it's called New Add Integers Using Number Lines. And the other one I'm calling C5.5 because it's between C5 and C6. But they do not have these numbers next to them. I just wanted you to be able to find where they are. The second one is called New Subtract Integers Using Number Lines. And these are pretty self-explanatory, but we'll go look at them. And I'll try to walk you through a couple of them. And then once you do these 2 IXL sections, if you've done all your other work for the week, you are done. Remember, there is no school on Fridays, no new lessons on Fridays. You can work if you're behind, but we will meet here back in Google Classroom on Monday, and we will continue our review. Okay, so let's go look at IXL. So when you go into IXL, go in through Clever, go into IXL. When you get to your math screen, go down to 7th grade. I'm not sure if your screen looks exactly like mine. And then we're going to go, remember, to the C section. And the first one is C, and I called it 2.5, remember? C 2.5, so it's between 2 and 3. So it's this one right here. New, add integers using a number line. And then the other one, I called it C5.5 because it's here between C5 and C6. So it's new subtract integers using number lines. So let's look at a couple of them. Let's go back up here to this one. So which number line models -3 plus -7? Now, we did a lot with number lines at the beginning of the year, and we've reviewed them. We're going to start where this first number is. And so our arrow is going to start at -3. Well, this one is kind of easy. This arrow starts at -7, and it goes 3 in the positive. So it's not that answer. We're at -3. And then we make 7 hops in the negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is -10. So on these, you have to click which number line represents it, and then you have to type the answer. And the answer is -10. And submit it. So they're all fairly straightforward like that. You have to get at least an 80. I would say it would be fairly easy to get a 100. So really work on this section as a review. Let's look at the subtraction ones and see if they're as straightforward. C5.5, subtract integers using number lines. So which number line models 1 minus 4? That means we're going to start at 1. We're going to go 4 in the negative direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's this number line. And our answer is, it ends at our answer, so our answer is -3. -1 minus 2, again, what number are we going to start at? We're going to go to the number line that starts at a -1. So -1, and we're going to go 2 in the negative direction, right? Catch that negative sign in front of that -2. So 1, 2. So this one is our answer. And the difference is -3. So remember our procedure when it's 3 minus a -1. Minus a negative is really adding a positive. So remember, add a line and change the signs. So on this one becomes 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1, this is the problem down here. And so our answer is 4. That's all there is to it. And you will end this week with just these 2 IXLs. You don't have to turn them in or anything. I will go in on Friday and I'll look and see your scores, and I will add them to the grade book. If you've got any questions or concerns, send me an email or leave me a message in Google Classroom. Have a great weekend.